Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to install Pythons and a Hello World project. So install Python is simple. You just search, you just Google Python and hit download and download Python. It will automatically start. And after you're done, you just click and next. I'm already done. So after you're done install it, you can verify if you install it successfully. Oh, actually I'm not done, so yeah. Remember to click add path python.exe to path. And installing. Oh, I'm so sorry you had to wait, guys. Okay, we're done. We'll close and close this window too. Oh, sorry. So for my Python version is 3.12. And then we'll use our VS Code, Visual Studio Code for our first Python application, which is hello world.py. And when you hit py, hit install the extension for VS Code. Now we're done. So for our first application, we print hello world and hit 1. You see, it's printing out hello world as expected. So we're done the first hello world application. So Python is much simple than Java. So in the future video, we'll talk about syntax, common, variable, and data type, just like Java, from one to one. And this is our first lecture. Thanks guys for watching. And if you had any question, please comment below and subscribe for our future videos. I see you next time.